When it comes to upgrading your home's windows, choosing the right installation team is just as important as selecting high-quality products. Poor installation can lead to drafts, leaks, higher energy bills, and windows that don't operate the way they should. That's why so many homeowners turn to Verde Group, a trusted name known for precision, professionalism, and exceptional customer care. If you're planning a window replacement project, here's why homeowners consistently rely on Verde Group for top-tier window installation services. Expertise. You can rely on. Window installation is a detailed process that requires technical skill and years of experience. Verde Group has built its reputation on expertly trained installers who understand how to work with all types of windows, materials, and home structures. Homeowners appreciate that Verde Group offers installers with extensive certification and hands-on training, knowledge of modern and traditional home designs, expertise across vinyl, fiberglass, wood, aluminum, and composite windows, careful removal of old windows without damaging your home. This level of expertise ensures every window fits perfectly, operates smoothly, and performs efficiently for years to come. Precision measurements for a perfect fit. One of the biggest causes of window performance issues is incorrect measurement. Too small, too large, or improperly squared openings lead to gaps, drafts, and structural problems. Verde Group eliminates these risks with their exacting measurement process. Their team provides multi-point measuring for accuracy, assessment of wall condition and structural alignment, proper evaluation of custom size needs, fit verification before installation begins. The result? A flawless fit that maximizes energy efficiency and long-term performance. High-quality materials and industry-leading products. Homeowners trust Verde Group because they offer only reliable, durable, and energy-efficient window options. Their partnerships with respected manufacturers ensure that your windows are built to last and meet modern performance standards. Benefits include Energy Star rated window options, high-performance glass with low E coatings, frames designed for insulation and durability, multiple style and customization choices. With Verde Group, homeowners know they're getting products that enhance beauty, reduce energy costs, and hold strong through changing seasons. Installation that prevents drafts and air leaks. A window is only as good as its installation. Even a slight misalignment or poor sealing technique can compromise insulation. Verde Group's installers use proven techniques and high-grade sealing materials to create an airtight installation every time. Their process includes correct shimming to ensure perfect leveling, low expansion foam for safe, effective insulation, professional grade caulking designed for long-term weather protection, strict inspection of every seam, seal, and joint. These steps prevent drafts, air infiltration, and moisture problems, keeping your home comfortable no matter the season. Clean, respectful, and on-time service. Home improvement projects can be stressful, but Verde Group is known for making the process smooth and worry-free. Their installation teams show up on time, treat your home with care, and keep the work area clean throughout the project. You can expect clear communication from start to finish, minimal disruption to your daily routine, protection of floors and furniture, complete cleanup after installation. Homeowners consistently praise their professionalism, reliability, and respect for their property. Long-term performance and warranty protection. Verde Group stands behind their work. Their installations not only meet industry standards, they exceed them. Homeowners gain peace of mind knowing their windows are backed by strong product warranties and Verde Group's own satisfaction guarantee. They offer manufacturer-backed product warranties, installation warranties for craftsmanship, post-installation support if adjustments are needed. This commitment to long-term quality is a major reason homeowners continue to choose Verde Group. Improved home comfort, efficiency, and value. With precision installation and high-quality materials, windows installed by Verde Group deliver benefits you'll notice immediately and enjoy for years. Homeowners experience lower heating and cooling costs, more consistent indoor temperatures, better noise reduction, enhanced curb appeal, and home value. Verde Group helps homeowners achieve energy savings and improved comfort with every project. Final thoughts. Homeowners trust Verde Group because they combine expertise, high-quality materials, precise craftsmanship, and exceptional customer service with every window installation. When you choose Verde Group, you're investing in comfort, performance, and peace of mind for your home.